earlier we have discussed about the condition what Patrick has given to the tiniest man. Let's see more in that. Now, as he asked to complete his work, who asked? Patrick asked. To whom did he say? He told to the tiniest man. Fourth para. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown. What about the condition of his face? There were lots of wrinkles. Do you know what the wrinkle? Wrinkles are the bulges. Look, I am just widening my lips. Just there are actually it is less. You can not observe. You cannot observe nicely about the wrinkles. If you want to see, actually the wrinkles can be clearly seen in the old people as well as the people who work in a farm, in an open area, the work throughout the days. The people like laborers, they also, just because of their heavy schedule, by lots of work, their face also doesn't have charm. There are wrinkles because they have a stress of work, means overload of work. Due to that, the face become untidy. So, if we talk about the tiniest man, how does it look? Then the answer is the little man's face wrinkled like dishcloth. What do you mean by dishcloth? Dishcloth. Have you seen the utensils? Your mama clean the utensils. So when your utensils are wet, so mama used to dry up with the help of handkerchief. It's a piece of cloth. So that cloth is used for cleaning the dishes. Let's see what next is there. Dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs and doubled his feet. He grimaced and scolded and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. He was very angry. He had become very angry. He is saying, how can you do this to me? How can you tell this to me? But as you are saving me from the cat, even I don't like to do the work, but I have to do. All the meaning is given. Hamper, a basket with a lid, grimaced, swallowed, his face expression showing disgust, anger. Now he is also angry, the tiniest man. Why the tiniest man is angry? He was angry because Patrick told him, I am going to save you from the cat, but you have to do what? You have to do my homework. So, what was his face expression? He was like, how can he? I don't want to. He's murmuring inside his mouth as he is not ready to do the work. But does he has any choice? No. He therefore said, okay, I will do the work, as he doesn't have any other option. Let's see the next. And true to his word, as he says that I am going to do the work, now he sticks towards his word. It means he is ready to complete all the homework of Patrick. Let's see. The little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Actually, Patrick was not doing his work at all. So, elf has to work very hard. Why? All the subjects he has to complete. He has to complete Hindi, English, Maths, GK, computers, many things Patrick alone has to complete. So, he started the work. Let's see next. Except there was one glitch. One glitch means there was one problem. Now what underline the word glitch? The meaning is given over there. Even you can understand in the manner. There is one small issue. There is one problem. And what was that one glitch? The glitch was the elf to write. So these are the problems the tiniest man, means the elf, was facing. So now let's see what will going to happen. He will going to ask Patrick to help him. Just see. Then the elf asked Patrick, "Oh please," again exclamatory term, "help me, please help me. I don't know where to write, how to write." Okay. He had said, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. Look, now Patrick also doesn't have the choice. As the elf was ready to help, even the semester is about to finish. If he won't finish his work, again he will get double zero. Even teachers will going to scold him. So now he has no choice. He has only one choice, and that is what? That is helping elf. Now Patrick started helping elf that how to complete his homework. "I don't know this word." The elf squeaked. Squeaked means spoke. He speak out. Underline the word squeak and write over there to speak. So who spoken? The elf spoken that "I don't know this word" while reading Patrick's homework, as he was reading the Patrick's work, the homework, and while reading he come across a word, and the elf told to Patrick, "Look, I don't understand the meaning of this word. What does it mean? So get me a dictionary." So what did he say? Bring the dictionary to me. As I told you, whenever you always carry a dictionary, even the tiniest man told to Patrick that "I am not getting or I am not understanding the meaning. So you just get me a dictionary." What is a dictionary? Dictionary is a book which has the meaning of all the words. No, what's even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. So he said, no need to. It's better just see carefully the word and try to speak each word separately. E-A-C-H. Each. Can be possible. You will able to know its pronunciation. Look, dictionary is a word where meanings are given. In the same way, there are not only the problem of meaning. Sometimes you don't know how to pronounce. So, for having good pronunciation, you should always change the spelling into its Hindi version. For example, it is given lotus. So, you should write la, o say okli, la, ta, sa, lotus. It seems to be very awkward how man is speaking lotasa, but we learn pronunciation like this only better. We have to break the alphabets with its spellings in Hindi, okay, with its varnamala. So lotasa, together it will lotus. Slowly you will be able to understand how to pronounce new words. Is that clear to you? So, what did it advise? He said instead of dictionary, you should spell out each word twice or thrice. Let's see what had happened next. When it came to math, now it's okay. Now what subject is coming? Maths is there. English has been resolved, or EVS has been resolved by pronouncing it or by spelling it or by following through the dictionary. Now the time has come for mathematics. Maths. Patrick was out of luck. Means his luck was not working, as Patrick doesn't know anything about maths. How can he help the elf? Let's see. What are times table? What are times table? Let us see. The elf shrank. Shrink means it become much smaller. Now opened the maths book. He said, what it is given? What are times table? What do you mean by times table? Now F is also surprised. Even I don't know. As you don't know, even I also don't know. The elves never need that. Actually, I never did any sort of calculation where I need to know the tables. So, I cannot tell you anything. I don't have any knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Because in our world there is nothing, there is only spell. What do you mean by spell? Spell means magical words. Hakuba, Jadugar. Did you heard that? Yes, na? You would have gone to see even. So did you find out that he used to speak something? Whatever he speaks, it is called magical words. Even in English we say spell. So the elf is also confused. Elf told to Patrick, look, I cannot help you in maths because I have never come through such times table, addition or subtraction. Let's see. And addition and subtraction and division and fraction. Look, I don't know all such things. Here sit down beside me. Beside means, underline the word beside. Beside means near me. Come and sit beside me. You simply must guide me. You just simply sit beside me and try to guide me, help me. The elf asked to Patrick. Elf know nothing of human history. Look, because he belongs to some other place. So he does not have any record of human beings, like how human eat, sleep or what they do, what are their work. As to earn money, they have to work. He has no information of human life. Who doesn't have the information? The elf doesn't have any sort of information of human life. Let's see. To them, it's a mystery. Mystery means something you don't know. You don't have any meaning. It is called mystery that cannot be solved. So, elf is like a mystery, means he is unknown of human activities. Let's see. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. As he was shouting or doing, now he became a louder. Go to the library, I need book. Look, as I have promised you, it means I have to help you. Now in the case of maths, you have to help me. Still you don't know? Then you have to go and bring. Now elf is becoming little louder. Why? Because he is not understanding the things. Therefore, the elf asked Patrick to go to the library and bring some books from there, the extra books. So from that I can have the knowledge, or we both can have the knowledge to complete the work. Let's see. More and more books, and you can help me read them too. More and more books we will collect. Few books I will read, few books you have to read. Then you can help me also in that way. So just see what elf is doing. There is one logic way. What is that logic way? In truth, actually, elf wished that Patrick should do his work on his own. So first, elf tries, but ultimately he forces Patrick to do the work. As in this case also, as he asked to bring the library, the books from the library, not only one, two, but many books. He said, few I will read, few you have to read. Let's see. Then he says, okay, I will. I need books for more and more help. And Patrick says, okay, I get it. As a matter of fact, every day in every way, that little elf was a nag. Nag means it is given up one who troubles someone all the also doesn't have any option because he is now also doing the work. He has started a bit of work. So harder and harder. Patrick was working harder and harder than ever and was in a drag. He was staying up night, had never felt weary, was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. So now what is the condition? As he never liked to go to school properly, nicely, well. Now what had happened? He is working day and night. Now he has become active. Why? Because Patrick is thinking that I am not doing my homework. Who is doing? Elf is doing. I am only helping. So for helping him, he has started working day and night. Now let's see. Finally, the last day of school arrived and the elf was ready to go. Now 35 days has gone. The day has come when the school is about to open, means the semester is about to over and Patrick has to show his homework to his teacher. Let's see. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly and shyly slipped out the back door. As the tiniest man know that he has completed all his work. So what did he decide? Quietly, he just went out of his house from the back door. He did not tell to Patrick that I am going. Just elf see that he has completed all his wish. In the way he has completed his homework. But did the elf do the work or Patrick? Let's see who has finished the homework. But quietly he went out from the back door. Let's see. Patrick got his A, and as the school opened, Patrick went to school. He submitted all his work to his teacher, and finally, what was the grade he got? He got A. As you get A1, A2. In the same way, Patrick finally got A. His classmates were amazed. Underline the word amazed. Amazed means surprised. All his friends were surprised to see. Is it Patrick? Nobody was able to believe that Patrick can do his work. Why? Because since so many years, Patrick never completed his work and he always get the bad grade. It is something like that in your class. There is a child, suppose get 0 out of 10. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. But the time will come when this 0. Suppose a child is getting this 1 time, 2 time. But the day will come when 0 before this will be there. So we should never give up. Even his friends too. And finally he got the A. By getting A, everybody in the class was surprised. Teacher including the students. Let's see. The teacher smiled and were full of praise. The teacher praised him means the teacher said, wow, very nice. You are such a good boy. You have completed all your work on time. It's really great. And his parents too, they were also very happy to see. For what they are happy? They are happy that their child has got A grade. And how can you get the A grade? By completing your work. Let's see the next. He was. So, they wondered. Wonder means, underline the word wondered. Surprised. They are surprised. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. Means now Patrick started doing still. The parents as well as the teachers are surprised. What had happened to him? How can he do the work? Is it possible? Oh my God. He was now a model boy. Model means everybody started liking him. Now everybody was talking about Patrick in every class, whether it's first class, second class, sixth class or seventh class. Wherever the teacher moves, they all started giving the example of Patrick. Why? Because Patrick was a boy who never did his work on time, never get a good mark. But this time, when he did the work, it was outstanding. Means like this. From 0, Patrick has changed to 10. Is that clear? So number never matters. You never know what will going to happen next. But only thing is never give up. Try, try, never cry. Okay? Let's see. Okay, everybody was surprised. Now, cleaned his room. Now, who is cleaning the room? Patrick. Patrick, clean means, underline the word clean, tidy, neat and tidy. Cleaned his room, did his chores. Now, underline the word chores, C-H-O-R-E-S, means routine work. He has completed all his work. Suppose his books were lying here and there. He used to now started keeping everything on a proper place. Was cheerful, never rude, likely developed a whole new attitude. Underline the word attitude. Attitude means nature. Now Patrick is totally changed. As lastly, he just threw away his book here and there, pencil here and there, bag here and there. Now what he has started doing? He now started sitting properly, switch on the light, complete his work, always keep the books nicely, and started managing all the things. Now packing the bag, putting books as per the timetable, started completing all his homework. Now everything is good enough. Now neither mommy nor papa is scolding. Why? Because they find Patrick has totally changed. Not only his work, Patrick also started helping his mother, his father, even to his friend. Now started telling to everyone what? He says to his friend that we should have a timetable to study, work hard. It means how this is possible? He is totally changed. Let's see. You see in the end, did you notice at the end what had happened? What had happened, tell me? Actually, the Patrick is totally changed. Let's see. Patrick still thought he had made the tiny man do all his homework. Still, what Patrick is thinking? Patrick is thinking that as everybody is appreciating him, teachers are saying you are good, parents are saying you are good, friends are even saying you are good. And what does the Patrick thinking? Patrick is thinking that he didn't do anything. All his work is done by Elf. What he was thinking that I did do. I only helped. But what had happened, just see? But I will share a secret just between you and me. Now, who is saying this? There is someone who is saying that. Let me tell you one secret. Okay? And don't tell to anyone. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Now, who is you and me? Now, who is discussing? It is who is there? It is the writer. Okay? She is telling as she know that elf didn't do anything. Who did the homework? All the homework is done by Patrick. Actually, that elf just helped in just telling. As in the position of elf, parents are there, teachers are there. We are like elf only. As we always say, study, you can get good mark, you can get good mark. If you listen to your teacher or your parents, you will definitely going to get good mark. As Patrick listened to elf, he bring many books from the library. He started doing the maths work. So who was actually working day and night? It was Patrick who is working hard. What did the elf was doing? Elf was always saying that I am helping you, I am helping you. But in what way he was helping him? Just in providing the material. Actually, it is learned by Patrick only. So, in the last, it was clear that as Patrick started, his friend support him. Actually, Al was the real friend of Patrick. Why? Because Al taught him that we should not run away of something. For example, if you are not able to speak in English, so what will you do? You will going to hide yourself somewhere? No, this is wrong. It's better to try and try. See the dictionary or talk to your teacher that I am not getting. So she will help you. But how she will going to teach you. Ultimately, who will learn? It's only you. By the end of the chapter, by the end of the lesson, what is the moral you get it? You get the moral that practice makes the man perfect. What is the moral of the story? Practice makes the man perfect. What other you can have? Other is never give up. And one I have spoken in between. Try, never cry. And once you thought of, this time I will work hard, not for scoring 100 on 100, but this time I will work hard for understanding, for having fun by learning. So if you have this type of things in your mind, you will definitely going to achieve your goal. So did you enjoy the story? Yes, even I. So did you notice that by giving the effort, you can achieve what do you want? Is that clear? So that's all for today's story. Have a nice day.